Hello and welcome to our video on why major multinational companies, MNCs, have shifted their focus from China to India in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak. In recent years, we have seen many companies look to India as a manufacturing base. This is due to a combination of factors, including rising labor costs in China, ongoing trade tensions between China and the US, and the Indian government's Make in India campaign. First, let's talk about rising labor costs in China. In recent years, wages in China have been steadily increasing, making it less attractive for MNCs to manufacture goods there. This has led many companies to look for alternatives to China as a manufacturing base. Next, we have the ongoing trade tensions between China and the US. The ongoing trade tensions have led many companies to look for alternatives to China as a manufacturing base, which has resulted in more companies looking to India. The Make in India campaign is another factor that has contributed to the shift. The Indian government has been actively promoting its Make in India campaign, which aims to attract more investment and manufacturing to the country. This has made India a more attractive option for MNCs looking to establish a manufacturing presence in the region. In addition, the cost-effective labor in India is another major reason for companies looking to invest in India. The labor costs in India are relatively low compared to other developing countries, and the availability of a large pool of skilled labor in various industries. Lastly, the government incentives are another major reason for companies to shift their focus to India. The Indian government has been offering various incentives to companies looking to invest in the country, which has further helped to attract MNCs to India. In conclusion, these are the main reasons why major MNCs have shifted their focus from China to India after the COVID outbreak. The shift is driven by a combination of rising labor costs in China, ongoing trade tensions between China and the US, the Make in India campaign, cost-effective labor in India, and government incentives. We hope you found this video informative, and thank you for watching.